If you want to build a successful print-on-demand shop that scales, then there is one skill you need to master, and it's not what you think. It's not mastering graphic design. It's not uploading 100 different listings as fast as you can. It's not being able to tweak an Etsy title or an Amazon product title 100 times before it gets more views. It actually has more to do with your work ethic than it does a product or design. And the number one skill is actually having a supernatural ability to delay gratification. Now, let me explain what I mean by that. Everything we teach you how to do with Kittl, or every time we bring on a collaborator to show you how to build a print-on-demand shop or make more product sales or build an Etsy shop or whatever it is extremely important. But what you need to understand about building and scaling a print-on-demand shop is that you're going to have to put in a lot of work on the front end to get it up and running. You're going to have to learn how to delay that gratification. This is not an instant gratification type of task. Now, there can be instances where you create a design that's maybe for a trend or a holiday, you upload that design to your print-on-demand shop, and you make some sales, and that is fantastic. But I'm more so talking about a shop that's going to help take you from a side hustle to potentially being your main source of income. I know a lot of people are Googling how to make passive income or how to set up a print-on-demand shop, and this might have led you to Kittl, and I am so glad you're here. We have tons of resources, and we're excited to talk to you about all of the workflows and designs and products that we have for you. But you need to be able to see long-term instead of short-term. And that's why I use a phrase like delaying gratification. I don't want you to immediately assume that because you take a design, you put it in Printful or Printify, and you launch that on your shop, it's immediately going to make sales. Now, if it does, that is incredible. And I hope that you take those learnings and repeat that process as many times to scale your shop. For those of you where that doesn't happen, I don't want you to get discouraged, because I have started several print-on-demand shops, some of which gained some traction quite fast, and some of them actually took a long time and a lot of learning to tweak it and get it to where it actually makes consistent sales. And there is that period of time for about 25 to 40 days where you feel like you haven't made any sales, or maybe you've only made one sale, and you really are thinking this just doesn't work, I want to give up. And it's in that time where you need to double down, use the tools and the resources and the information that we and the other collaborators are giving you to create more designs, more listings, more products, get better at SEO, get better at titles, get better at Etsy thumbnails, Shopify thumbnail, wherever you're selling your print-on-demand products. You can delay that gratification so that you put a lot of work on the front end and it will pay off. This mindset, this ability to see forward, to see the future, to delay that gratification, knowing that the work I put in now is going to pay off later, is going to help your overall mood and behavior and attitude towards scaling your print-on-demand shop. And if you just found this video and you actually didn't know anything about Kittl, I think that this is a great opportunity to bring up some of our most recent initiatives, which are these Etsy listing templates. And what this is going to do is allow you to build out a workflow that we have set as a template for you to pop in your product photos, reiterate your designs, make variations of designs, so that you can take your shop further and faster and create designs that are cohesive and look like they belong together. Not to mention, we just have a ton of incredible features and illustrations and fonts and templates in Kittl that will match a lot of the niches I bet you're probably designing for. But you have to pair that with the mindset and the go for it attitude to delay gratification, build your designs, build your products, make incredible photos, gather that attention, and then make more sales. Now, if you think there is a bigger and better and more important superpower or skill to have when building a print-on-demand shop, I'd love to know. So drop those comments down in the comments section, and make sure while you're there, you subscribe to the channel. And hey, by the way, Kittl is free to sign up and try. You can sign up using the link down in the description. You may even find a promo code down there to help you on your first subscription payment. So don't give up, keep growing your shop, and we'll see you in the next video.